English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 32.
He cut himself while chopping vegetables.
She's teaching herself to cook. He introduced himself to the other party guests. That pan is very hot. Don't burn yourself. Did they enjoy themselves at the party?
Me, myself. You, yourself. You, yourselves. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. They, themselves.
I think Elizabeth's enjoying herself. I hope the children exhaust themselves and sleep tonight. Look at baby Callum trying to feed himself. Isn't he smart? I can't find my keys. I hope we haven't locked ourselves out. Oh dear, I cut myself while I was peeling potatoes. You should take a break. You'll wear yourself out. The dishwasher will turn itself off when it's finished.
Hi, Elena. How are the party preparations going?
I'm really stressed, Isaac. The hardest thing is getting my roommates organized. This morning, Bruno burned himself on a saucepan. He's so clumsy. And Caroline's even worse. She's just hurt herself by banging her head on the kitchen shelf.
Look, I'll come over this afternoon and do the rest of the cooking for you. You need to give yourself a break. Tomorrow, your roommates can prepare the fruit salad. That should be easy enough for them.
They'll probably cut themselves. Thank you so much, Isaac. That's really kind of you.
It'll be worth it. I'm sure we'll all enjoy ourselves at the party.
I've burned myself on a hot pan. The baby can pull herself up. I'm teaching them to swim. You really enjoyed yourself tonight. Have you introduced yourselves to him? Ouch! That wasp stung me. The cake's all gone. I've eaten it. The car's dirty. Please wash it. Don't tease the cat. You'll scare her. The oven will turn itself off now.
Liter. Milliliter. Gram. Kilogram. Pound. Ounce.
Fluid ounce. Gallon. Quart. Pint. Cup. Tablespoon. Teaspoon.
2 pounds of dark chocolate. 2 ounces of butter. 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules. 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. 3 fluid ounces of buttermilk. 1 pint of cream. 2 cups of flour. 1/4 of a pound of sugar. 3 eggs.
Sweet chocolate. Savoury pasta. Tasty cake. Chilled water. Salty pretzels. Bitter lemons. Mixed salad. Spicy curry. Fresh fruit. Strong coffee.
I enjoy eating savoury food, like meat, cheese, and vegetables. I'm so tired this morning. I need a strong cup of coffee to wake me up. I'd like some chilled fruit juice, please. It's a hot day, and I need a refreshing drink. That curry was too spicy. I'll follow a different recipe next time I make it. Remember to buy lots of fresh fruit. We're making a fruit salad tonight. The chocolate mousse was too sweet for me, but I think the guests will love it. End of lesson 32.